student, in my last class we have read about how we calculate area of the triangle by matrix method, and today our topic is calculation of minor, cofactor and adjoint of a determinant. So we clarify this topic by taking an example. So suppose here is an example. A is a matrix or general form of the matrix, and it is in the form of A11, A12, A21 and A22. This is the general form of a 2 cross 2 matrix. I have written here in the form of determinant. So it is a general form of a 2 cross 2 determinant, and we want to find how we calculate its minor, cofactor and adjoints. So for calculating minor, suppose minor of A is equal to minor of A. What we have to do? First we want to calculate minor of this element A11. So 11 means we have to delete row 1 and column 1. So we will get A22. Row 1 and column 1. So here will be A22. And again take for this element 1 and 2. So we will get A21. So here will be A21. And again for this element A21, cancel first column and second row. So we will get A12. So here will be A12. And for A22, cancel second row and second column. We will get A11. So minor of this element can be written as this. So minor means neglecting the row, deleting the row and column. The elements obtained is called minor of the determinant. So this is a 2 cross 2 determinant. Again we have interested to find what is the cofactor of A. Cofactor of A. Cofactor means what sign we have to put against these elements. Suppose here is the element A11 and its minor is A22. So A11 means this can be written as CCN minus 1 to the power 1 plus 1. So you will get it is an even number. Even number means it has plus sign before it. And again see here, its sign will be for this element 1 plus 2 is equal to odd number. So this is an odd number. So it contains minus sign, plus sign. This contains minus sign because odd number. It contains minus sign because odd number, and it contains 2 plus 2 is your 4. So even number. So it will plus sign. So this can be written as A22 minus A21 minus A12 and plus A11. Once again see here, कोफैक्टर ऑफ ए निकालने के लिए हम यहाँ देखेंगे कि इसके जो एलिमेंट्स हैं इसको -1 का पावर करेंगे तो जो नंबर आएगा वो माइनस आएगा, इवन आएगा या ऑड आएगा. अगर वो इवन आएगा तो उसका साइन जो होगा प्लस होगा, और अगर वो ऑड आएगा तो उसका जो साइन होगा माइनस होगा. जैसे चेक कीजिए A12 2 plus 1 3, तो इसके आगे जो साइन होगा वो माइनस होगा. 2 plus 1 3, इसके आगे जो साइन होगा वो माइनस होगा. 2 plus 2 is 4, तो इसके आगे जो साइन होगा वो प्लस होगा. Again our third term is adjoint of a determinant. So adjoint of a, if we take this will equal to cofactor of A and this whole transpose. This is transpose, sign of the transpose. So this will be equal to cofactor of A, इसका transpose. So you can write this is your R1, here is your R2, here is C1 and here is C2. So we interchange R1 by C1 and R2 by C2. So this can be written as A22 minus A21, and again R22 like in place of C2. So minus A12 and A11. So comparison this number with the original matrix, what we will find? See here, originally A11, A12, here will be A22 and A11. So what we are seeing, its element will be interchanged. And again see here, this elements minus A21 and minus A12, A21, same position, elements are in same position, but sign will be changed. So here sign will be changed. Sign changed. So while getting the value of adjoint of a matrix of a 2 cross 2 determinant, we see that this diagonal, this will be interchanged and this diagonal sign will be changed. So if suppose we have taken another problem, suppose here B is a matrix and its similar to is 1, 2, 3, 4, and we want to direct write what is adjoint of B. Adjoint of B. So directly we write its element will be changed. So write 4, 1 and its element will be minus sign change. So this will like this. Its element will be sign change, minus minus change, and 1, 4 elements will be changed. So directly we can calculate adjoint of B by getting a vector, getting a determinant. So we can calculate the value of the determinant, minor of the determinant, cofactor of a determinant, and adjoint of a determinant. Find what is the definition of minor of the determinant. Minor of an element Aij, minor of an element Aij of a determinant can be obtained by deleting its ith row and jth column. Once again, see the definition. Minor of an element Aij of a determinant can be obtained by deleting its ith row and jth column. It is written as Mij and equal to Mij is equal to minor of element Aij. So this is the definition of minor of a determinant. Again see definition of cofactor of a determinant. Cofactor of a determinant. Cofactor of a determinant. Cofactor of a determinant. Cofactor of an element Aij of a determinant will equal to is written as capital Aij and equal to Aij is equal to minus 1 to the power I plus j Mij. So a cofactor can be obtained by simply this is your minor of the determinant. This Mij is minor of the determinant, and before it we have to write minus 1 to the power I plus j. That means we have to find what is the sign of the minor. If we write sign of the minor, it becomes cofactor of the determinant. And our third definition is adjoint of a determinant. Adjoint of a determinant. Adjoint of a determinant. After calculating all elements of, after calculating cofactor of all elements all element of a determinant we take its transpose after calculating cofactor of all elements of a determinant, we take its transpose, then it change into adjoint of a determinant. It change into adjoint of a determinant. So see here, what we have to do when the determinant is given and we are interested to find minor of the determinant, simply delete the ith row and jth column. We will get its minor of the determinant. And if we write what is the sign before this minor of the element, that will call cofactor of the determinant. And after getting cofactor of the determinant of each element, if we take its transpose, it becomes adjoint of a determinant. So similar way, we can find minor, cofactor and adjoint of any determinant. 4.1, question number 1 plus second. Here A is a matrix and its element is A, B, C, D. We are interested to find minor of A. Minor of A means here we have to cancel first row and first column. We will get D. And for B, we will get C. And for D, we will get A. And for C, this will be cancelled, here will be cancelled, so we will get B. So this is your minor of A. And now cofactor of A. Cofactor of A means we have to think what sign should be written against these elements. So this is your D. So here original element will be A and its position is A11. So it will be your even. So here sign will be plus, here sign will be minus, here sign will be minus, and here sign will be minus. So this can be written as minus D, minus B, sorry, plus D, minus B, minus C, and here will be A. This is your A. And after that, adjoint of A. Adjoint of A. So this can be written as D minus B. Why? Because this is your R1, here is your R2, this is your C1, and here is your C2. Then change R1 by C1. So D minus B, minus C and A. So watch here. What is the change in this element? Here will be interchange. This element will be interchange. Comparison with original element. Here is AD. Here will be DA. Interchange. And this element are same, but sign will be changed. Sign changed. Because see here BC. Here minus B minus C. So sign of the element will be changed. So after getting, when a determinant is given, you can directly find adjoint of a determinant using this formula. So its element will be interchanged and its sign will be changed. Exercise 4.4, question number 2 का second. B is a matrix. It is a 3 cross 3 matrix, order 3 cross 3, and its element will be 1 0 4, 3 5 minus 1, 0 1 2. We have to find what is this minor, cofactor and adjoint of this determinant. So first we try minor of B. Minor of B. So this will be equal to. First we have to find what is the minor of for the element 1. So this will be equal to. Seem like you already know. Just like expanding the determinant. So 1 cancel R1 and R2, we will your 12 2 into 5 10. And 1 into 1 plus 1, 10 plus 1. And for 0, this will be equal to 3 into 2, 6 minus 0. And for 4, 3 into 1, 3 minus 0, like so. And for 3, 0 into 2, 0 minus 0 into 2, 1 into 4, minus 4. And for 5, this will be equal to 2 and this will be equal to 0, minus 0. And here will be element for minus 1, 1 minus 0, 1 minus 0. And again for this element 0, this will equal to 0 minus 20, 0 minus 20. And for this element 1, this will equal to 1 into 1 and 3 into 4. So minus 1 minus 12. And again last element will be equal to for 2, 1 into 5, 5 minus 0. Once again check, it is correct or not? For 1, 5 into 2, 10 plus 1, 10 plus 1. For 0, 3 into 2, 6 minus 0. For 4, 3 into 1, 3 minus 0. For 3, 0 into 2, 0 minus 4. For 3, 0 minus 4. For 5, 2 minus 0. For minus 1, 1 minus 0. For 0, this will be your 0 minus 20. And for 1, this is your minus 1 minus 12. And for 2, 5 minus 0. So solving we will get this will equal to 11, 6, 3, minus 4, 2, 1, minus 20, minus 13 and 5. This is your minor of B. So minor of B will be equal to 11, 6, 3, minus 4, 2, 1 or minus 20, minus 13 and 5. And for getting cofactor of the matrix, that we have to find cofactor of B. To find cofactor of B, we have to think what sign should be written against each element of this minor. So clarify the element. First you write in the standard form of a 3 cross 3 matrix. This will be your A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. This is the standard form of matrix 3 cross 3. And check here where sign will be changed. Here will be 2 plus 1 is your 3. So this is your odd function. So sign will be minus. Here also minus. This will also minus. 2 plus 3 is your 5. And this is also minus. So these 4 terms are minus and remaining 5 terms will be plus. So check here. Here will be your minus sign. Here will be your again minus sign. And here will be again minus sign. And this term is same. This term has also minus sign. So this can be written as 11 minus 6, 3 plus 4, 2 minus 1. And here will be your 20 plus 13 and 5. So this is your cofactor of B. So difference between minor and cofactor is simply write sign of the each element. To calculating sign, use these determinants. And for transpose of B, see here, transpose of B, transpose of B, transpose of the determinant B. This will equal to, this is your R1, here is R2. And this is your R3 and here is your C1, this is your C2 and here is C3. So interchange R1 by C1, R1 by C1. So this will be written as 11 minus 6, 3 and R2 by C2, 4, 2 minus 1 and R3 by C3. So this will be your 3, R3 by C3. So this is your 20, 13 and 5. So here changing you will get C1 is equal to R1 and C2 is equal to their R2. So transpose of B, this is not transpose of, this is transpose of B, transpose of B, this will call adjoint B, adjoint B. So similarly we can write transpose of B, not transpose of cofactor of B right here. कोफैक्टर ऑफ बी, ट्रांसपोज ऑफ कोफैक्टर ऑफ बी. ये जो बी मैट्रिक्स है ना कोफैक्टर ऑफ बी, इसका ट्रांसपोज लेना है तो हमें मिल जाएगा एडजॉइंट ऑफ बी. दिस इज योर एडजॉइंट ऑफ बी. क्लियरली नॉट इट्स लुकिंग हियर. सो वंस अगेन राइट इन करेक्ट वे. एडजॉइंट ऑफ बी, एडजॉइंट ऑफ बी इज इक्वल टू टेक कोफैक्टर ट्रांसपोज ऑफ दिस मैट्रिक्स. So we will get adjoint of B. So similarly we can calculate minor, cofactor and adjoint of a determinant. We have to evaluate the value of the determinant 1x by z, 1 by zx and 1 zxy using the third column. So by expanding by C3, what happens? C3 means by Z, Zx and Xy. So this will be positive, here will be negative, and here will be positive. So this can be written as this is equal to by Z into cancel these two. So this will be your Z minus Y plus minus Zx into, here will be minus Zx into Z minus X plus Xy into Y minus X equal to Y into Z square minus Y square Z minus Z square X plus Zx square plus Xy square minus X square Y. So this is the solution of this determinant. And now our whole energy will how we arrange this number. So this can be written as this is equal to, if you take from here Y as common, so this can be written as Z square minus X square. Z square minus X square. Take care from these two, here and this number. Take Y as common. So this will be your Z square minus X square. And after that, here will be Z minus X. So again see, here Z minus X is, Z minus X is, where is Z minus X? So from these two, from this and this number, if you take minus Y square as common, so this can be written as Y square as common, this can be written as Z minus X. From these two numbers, you can take minus Y square as common. So this will be your positive and this will be your negative. And lastly here, if you take Z will be positive, so minus Zx as common, so this can be written as Z minus X. So from both the terms, first, second and all the terms, we can take Z minus X as common. So remaining element will be, this will be equal to Y into Z plus X minus Y square minus Zx. Y into Z plus X minus Y square minus Zx. So this will equal to Z minus X into, so Yz plus Yz plus Xy minus Y square minus Zx. And also try to taking common from these two factors. So this can be written as, so this is your, if you take here we have to write X minus B. If we take X minus A as common, so X is here positive and Y is here negative. So if you take Y as common between these two elements, so this can be written as X, Y minus Y, and the remaining elements, these two. So if you take here Z as common, minus Z as common, so this will your again X minus Y. So your answer will be, this can be written as X minus Y, Y minus Z and Z minus X. So this is the solution of the question. Dear student, listen to me carefully. When you open NCERT books, your topic will be topic number 4. Topic number 4. And exercise 4.1, exercise 4.1, exercise 4.2, exercise 4.3 and exercise 4.4. These 4 topics are related to determinant. These 4 topics in the given NCERT books, these are related to determinant. So we should not use any property of matrix here. And come to exercise 4.4 and 4.5. These topics are related with determinant and matrix both. So we can solve it. This is your matrix and determinant. Matrix and determinant both. Determinant. So we can use here the property or the formula of matrix or determinant using these 4.4 and 4.5. But once again, see, remember this 4.1 to 4.3, 4.4, this is only for determinant. So what is difference between determinant of the matrix? Simple differences between them. Determinant can be expanded and we will get a single value. But in matrix can never be expanded. So determinant up to this topic 4.4, we have already finished our topic, and some question is also from miscellaneous exercise. So our next classes again we have to start from top exercise 4.5 or 4.4, 4.5 or 4.6, not 4.5 and 4.6, where we will use all the property of matrix and determinant, and we will try to get how we calculate inverse of a matrix, and also using calculate the value of simple variable x, y, z using the inverse. So determinant topic is already finished. You go to NCERT and try to solve all question of your books. Thank you.